Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you accept Google Pay in your Flodesk? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to accept Google Pay in your Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that the more payment options you give your customers, it can increase your conversion rate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order to accept Google Pay, you had to have already connected your Stripe to your Flodesk. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in complete detail. But once you've connected your Stripe account to Flodesk, if you want to connect Google Pay, what you're going to do is here on the top right, you're going to click on your profile icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Checkout Setup. Okay, once you do that, you should see your Stripe is connected up here in green. As long as you see that, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see the Google Pay logo. Now you can see my Google Pay logo is white and gray. That means it's turned off. You need to make sure it's black and white like my Apple Pay. And all you do is just click the button, and a second later, you should see payment method enabled. So now when my customers are going through the checkout process in my Flodesk, they're going to get the option to use their Google Pay. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to accept Google Pay with your Flodesk, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.